When the founders of Ave Maria University created their campus out of the tomato fields near Naples, Florida, they were constructing the first new Catholic university in the United States in nearly a half-century.
Well, we want to be the best Catholic university in the world. We want to have students from all over the world.
Within 20 months, the empty fields gave rise to intelligent buildings filled with students beginning the new year. The students probably had no idea that something rare and innovative was going on in the data room just beyond the library walls. 23 different systems, from IT functions to facility operations, were sharing common wiring over a single IP network and breathing life into the new buildings.
We knew that we had a unique thing on our hands, and we didn't want to take the risk of running into a partner who couldn't handle that sort of risk, couldn't handle that amount of technology.
After reviewing Division 17 proposals from several companies, Ave Maria University chose Johnson Controls as the technology partner to execute their unique plan.
We didn't just open up the books and look at the low number. We took the proposals from each of the three bidders and had them go through and explain to us what they were planning to do and what their approach was. And that was the weaning out process that made it very obvious Johnson Controls knew from the get-go how we wanted to do it, when we wanted to do it, and what the end result was going to be.
My main concern was this: we had to have the job done on time. There were many unknowns. I was told by the construction manager, yes, the technology exists out there, but this has never been done before.
In traditional technology design, each proprietary system has its own network controls and run of cabling. Ave Maria planned to install 23 different systems, but nearly everything would run on one common Cat5 enhanced cabling system, funneled through one open network protocol. While there were initial concerns about taking this novel approach on a tight construction schedule, having Johnson Controls as the technology contractor reaped many benefits.
Picking one contractor to do this project saved us an enormous amount of not only money, but something that cost more than money, that's time. By being able to reach out to one partner, consolidate all the project management, mobilization, and overhead costs into one platform, an enormous amount of savings.
The savings for reduced cabling alone amounted to $1.5 million. Compared with traditional designs, the university also saves about $350,000 a year in staffing costs and another $600,000 a year in reduced utilities. The design allows staff to closely monitor everything from a single location or over the internet.
What we do from this room here is we control the chiller plant. There are no mechanics and no technicians stationed in the chiller plant. All the air handlers, fan coil units, environmental controls, laboratory airflow, access control, security, fire, internet, email, any other application on campus is accessible and controlled and managed from this room. Right now, we manage the university with 7 full-time employees. That's IT technologies as well as facilities technologies, all in one. Cost savings of hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, even millions overall.
Ave Maria plans to grow from 450 students to about 5,500 over the next 2 decades. The open architecture doesn't tie them down to any one technology or vendor. While the staff is fully aware of the technologies at work on campus, it all operates quietly and seamlessly for faculty and students.
It's one of those things that once you see it, you say, wow. And then as a rule, you don't think about it again. And that's a very good thing, because if you're not thinking about it, it means that everything's working.
Students can take their laptops anywhere on campus and find a wireless hotspot. Voice over IP digital phones run on the network, along with security cameras, emergency call boxes, and a security feature called One Card Access.
Our One Card's great. We have our meals on it, we open the doors, get into the library, we get into our academic building, get into the Union Center.
People want to feel safe. You have to have a card to be able to get into just about any dorm. Nobody's going to be breaking into the dorms very easily. It's really comforting.
And when Ave Maria makes plans to expand its campus, Johnson Controls' technology solution can grow right along with them.
Whenever I talk to people, and I've talked to people all over the globe about the project at Ave Maria University, first and foremost they ask you, well, what kind of partner could you use and who can handle a project with that diverse and of that magnitude? And they were very surprised when I said I used Johnson Controls to do this project. Well, I thought they were building automation. You don't even really have to dig that deep to find that Johnson Controls is much more than that. Johnson Controls is able to pull in resources from all over the world to attack the uniqueness of this university and make this project successful.
Ave Maria University, growing through an innovative technology solution from Johnson Controls.